Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro guide for voiding your outgoing payment. This is going to be pretty straightforward. What I can do is open an outgoing payment. So typically if you made a mistake with an outgoing payment or you need to undo it, basically in that case you want to void it. Voiding it will remove the transaction permanently from the system, and the only trace of it left behind will be in the audit trail. So I have the outgoing payment open, so I'm just going to go options, void. And I also want to mention creating duplicates as well. So you also have the option of creating duplicates. So if you've got a lot of outgoing payments that you have to create, which are very, very similar, basically what you can do is create duplicates of them. And that'll let you create multiple outgoing payments much more quickly. So I just noticed that this outgoing payment is actually reconciled, so I won't be able to void it. So let me actually just open this one, see if it's not reconciled. Yeah, so this one I can void. So let's go options, and then let's click on void, click OK, and the outgoing payment has been voided.